Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to find LinkedIn username. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the LinkedIn application. Once you've opened, all you have to do is to log into your account, and if you're already logged in, you will see the same screen as for what I have right now. And to look for the LinkedIn username, all you have to do is to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this prompt. And in this prompt, the one that we're looking for is view profile. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to your profile. And to find the LinkedIn username, all you have to do is to tap on the pencil icon or the edit profile icon right in line with your profile picture here in LinkedIn on the right side. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, all you have to do is to scroll all the way down and look for the contact info category. As you can see, there is an edit contact info button. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the edit contact info setting. And on here, you will see the profile URL. And in the URL, the information next to the last slash, which is the sample email 65A1972283, that is your username in the LinkedIn. And if you want to edit that, all you have to do is to tap on the profile URL. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to this screen. All you have to do is to look for the edit your custom URL. And right there, you will see the URL that you've seen earlier. But on the right part of it, there is an edit button. To edit, all you have to do is to tap on it. And as you can see, you can now edit your username or your URL. And this is also displayed and much more easy to see if you're using a laptop or PC. As for when you go to the LinkedIn website and you log in, just head to your profile, and on the URL tab, you will see the same URL as for what you're seeing here and the username displayed on it. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.